Imagine running a small business in Singapore, working tirelessly to stand out in the bustling digital landscape. The secret weapon? Search engine optimization, or SEO. In the world of digital marketing, SEO is the stealthy ninja, often misunderstood yet incredibly powerful. It's not about big budgets, but about smart strategies. So, how does a small business leverage SEO on a shoestring budget? The answer lies in 3 simple steps. First, keyword research. Knowing what your customers are searching for is half the battle. Second, quality content. Creating relevant, engaging material that answers your customers' queries. And third, building credible backlinks. The digital equivalent of a good reputation. It's a game of patience and consistency, but the rewards are immense. Your business becomes more visible, attracting more customers and driving growth. So, is SEO the unsung hero of small businesses in Singapore? Could your business be the next success story? The power lies in your hands.